Okay, Monday the 28th of November, 2023. Maybe it's time to do an unboxing and cook something and give it a review. Okay, this is Gourmia. I don't know how you pronounce that. Anyway, air fry, bake, roast, broil, reheat, keep warm, dehydrate. Maybe we can dry out fruits, and peppers and stuff. We'll find out. Well, inside the box, we had this styrofoam padding. We got a user manual. Maybe it's just time to unbox it, read up on it, cook something later. It's 4 quart, serves 4, it says. So let's drag it out of that box. Wake up, you. Get up. Okay, inside we got several different things. This is telling us that for the first few uses it may have a plastic smell because the plastic is being heated up, and it's got a customer service questions and or comments with the 888 number. And we're here to help. That's pretty neat, maybe. If you can actually get somebody that speaks your language. Then the user manual. This is interesting now, I find. Do not place the air fryer on range top, stove top, or any cooking surface or inside a heated oven. That's just common sense. Only use air fryer on stable, horizontal, heat resistant, and level surface. Well, what constitutes how hot heat level? Is this solid surface countertop heat resistant enough? This is quartz. It should be, but is it? I do not know. Okay, air fryer recipe book. That could be handy, I guess. Well, let's check out the user manual first and see if this is going to be a cook something now or a box it back up and do it later thing. Okay, we forgot to start videoing. We already started, put the bacon in. It's longer than the little tray, so we cut some of it off. Cut about 3 inches of it off. And it said depending on the thickness of the bacon and the crispness, how you want it, it would run from 6 to 8 to, if it's real thick bacon and you want it real crisp, up to about 10 to 12 minutes. So right now we are about halfway. We'll see how crisp it is. It comes out. It was set at about 6 minutes. We'll see how crisp it is. We may do it for a little bit longer. We don't know yet. And this is the Gourmia, I guess that's how you say that. Air fryer, 4 quart, Walmart, $49 or $50, $49.95 or $99, whatever it was. So this is the first cooking. We may try some fries or other things later on. Or we could throw it in the trash. We don't know how it's going to work yet. We could use it for target practice. Okay, the first 4 pieces have come out. They look good. I'm not sure they're quite as crisp as I want. And it said between batches to drain the grease. So we're going to let that cool just a hair, and then we're going to pour that in the bacon grease jar, and we're going to cook some more. We'll see how that first batch is here shortly. Again, I guess that's Gourmia. I don't know how you pronounce that. Okay, we've sampled the first piece, and it's good. Might want it a little bit more crispy, but maybe not. It's to everybody's taste, I guess, but it just seems to be fully cooked. It's very good. Of course, I guess all bacon will be. But so far, well, we're going to pour that out, wipe it, and get another batch going. Okay, this second batch will be coming out shortly. I put it in for an extra minute, for 7 minutes. So we'll see how it is. And then we're going to cook. I cut these off because the bacon was so long. So we'll cook them up as our last little trial of the air fryer for today. Okay, this is a little more to my liking. A little bit crisper, and so that's 7 minutes. But that other at 6 was fine. And then the cleanup, say that non-stick stuff, it pretty much pours out. Once it cools down a little bit, we'll pour it into the bacon grease jar. You don't want to crack that jar. And then we will finish cooking our cutoffs, or we will cook our cutoffs. So, but so far, I like it. Now this time at 7 minutes, I did notice that the little bacon tray down there was a little more difficult, not really hard, but a little more difficult to wipe clean. It seemed like the bacon grease was trying to stick to it a little bit more, but not hard at all. So we're going to reload it with our cuttings, what we cut off over there, and we're going to cook them, and that'll wrap up our review of the Gourmia Air Fryer when we get that done. Okay, well, this will be the end for today unless we do something tonight. This Gourmia Air Fryer did just right. The bacon's long, so I cut it off. These little pieces were about 3 inches long, and now they're about 1 inch long, but that's what bacon does. So, but yeah, all in all, very satisfied with the air fryer. We'll try to get this video up, this review of it up here after a while, and right now we're going to eat it. Okay, we're back at it. We're going to try hamburgers in the air fryer. We're preheating. It's already preheated. That was quick. The 375. Now we got to add the food, the burgers, and we stick your thumb down in there to keep the burgers from puffing up. Yeah, it even stopped at halfway and told me to turn the food. So we turned the burgers and then stuck it back in, and it started right back up cooking. So we like our burgers a little bit browner, so we will probably be adding about 2 minutes to it when they come out. We still got this one to cook. And we didn't add anything, no salt, no olive oil, none of that stuff like they said to. We just patted the burgers up, pushed that little hole in the middle so they don't puff up, or that depression, and then slapped them in there. Okay, they look really good. We'll see. They're brown. They were a lot juicier. So we'll see how they are. We'll give them a shot. Well, I think the hamburgers are very good. I'm going to claim success for the hamburgers and the bacon. And like I said, I'm not like these professional guys trying to do a professional thing. I'm just trying to give you information that may help you out. So I think you'll like an air fryer if you try it. Very good burgers.